Alright, get ready because we're about to dive into 10 mind-blowing facts you'll think are fake, but they're real. Some facts sound so insane you'd think they were made up on Reddit, but these 10 facts are very real and, very weird. Welcome to FactOrbitZ, where curiosity leaves the atmosphere. Believe it or not, some spiders can actually fly, without wings. They perform a trick called ballooning, where they release silk threads into the air and float using Earth's natural electric fields. This allows them to travel for miles through the sky, even ending up on ships in the middle of the ocean. So next time you're outside, remember, spiders might be skydiving above you. Water can boil and freeze at the exact same time. Seriously, it's called the triple point, and it happens under a very specific temperature and pressure, usually in a vacuum chamber. At that point, all three states of matter, solid, liquid, and gas, exist at once. It's not science fiction, it's just really cool physics. There's a star out there that just refuses to die. Most stars go supernova once, and that's it, end of story. But IPTF-14 HLS? Well, it exploded 5 different times over 60 years. Astronomers actually call it a zombie star because it just keeps coming back. It's honestly one of the most mysterious stellar objects ever observed, and we still don't know how it survived multiple explosions. For a few brief moments after you were born, you were the youngest person alive on Earth. That title, though, only lasted seconds, or maybe even milliseconds, until the next baby was born. But still, it's a strange, unique fact you shared with every human in history. Technically, we all held that title once. Some metals hate water so much they explode on contact. If you drop a piece of pure sodium or potassium into water, it reacts violently, creating hydrogen gas and enough heat to ignite. The result? Yeah, a small explosion, maybe even a fireball. It's why chemistry labs treat these metals with serious caution, and also why they make great YouTube science demos. So get this, certain turtles can actually breathe through their butts. Yeah, you heard me right. Technically, it's called cloacal respiration. What that means is they can absorb oxygen through blood vessels near their rear end. This wild ability helps them survive long underwater during winter when they just can't surface for air. Nature is, full of surprises. And honestly, some are kind of gross. Alright, check this out. On the exoplanet HD 18973b, the weather is, well, totally deadly. Winds reach 5,400 miles per hour, and the rain, it's made of molten glass. And get this, it doesn't even fall, it blasts sideways. The planet's atmosphere is so hostile, it's basically like a hurricane made of razors. You wouldn't last even 1 second, but weirdly enough, it's one of the most beautiful planets ever discovered. So, your body actually emits a faint glow. Seriously. Humans release these tiny amounts of light called biophotons through biochemical reactions happening in our cells. We can't see it with the naked eye, but special cameras can totally detect it. So yes, you really do glow in the dark, just not like a glow stick. Deep in the tropical forests, there's this wild fungus that actually takes over ants' brains. It's called Ophiocordyceps unilateralis. Once an ant gets infected, it climbs to a high leaf, locks its jaw, and, well, dies. So the fungus can sprout from its body and release spores. It's mind control, nature style. And believe it or not, it's the real-life inspiration behind the Last of Us game. Humans share about 60% of their DNA with bananas. That doesn't mean we're, closely related. But a lot of the basic genetic building blocks are surprisingly similar. Life just reuses successful code, whether you're a fruit or a philosopher. So yeah, you and your smoothie have more in common than you'd probably think. Which of these weird facts shocked you the most? Drop it in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more brain-bending knowledge, right here on FactOrbitZ.